Bonsoir, famille. Hello, good afternoon, family. Moi, Relais Bertrude. My name is Bertrude, and I am here to help you apprendre Creole Haitien. Learn Haitian Creole. Listen, if you are going to Haiti and you're going to be attending a church service, this is a video you've got to watch. I'm going to be teaching you the top 11 phrases that are most probably going to be spoken to you during your time at a church service. I like to call this the church lingo video. So let's go ahead and get started. Number one, louer. Louer means praise, and so you'll hear louer, louer, louer. Praise, praise, praise is a common phrase. Number two, gloire à Jésus. Gloire, gloire. That's glory to Jesus. Glory to Jesus. Now, Jésus is Creole. The Frenchified version, which I'll say sometimes, would be Jésus. Jésus. Mais, however, Haitian Creole would be Jésus. Gloire à Jésus. There's actually a very popular song. I don't know if you know it. It goes, loué, loué, gloire à Jésus, péché, yo effacé. It says, praise, praise, glory to Jesus. My sins, péché, yo effacé. They have been erased, deleted. So, gloire à Jésus. You also have Jésus vivant. Jésus vivant. Jésus vivant. That means Jesus lives. Oh, this is one. Wow. Le sang de Jésus. Le sang de Jésus. You will see that plastered in red on so many vehicles. Le sang de Jésus means the blood of Jesus. And so they like to say, le sang de Jésus couvre you. The blood of Jesus covers you. Next we have, béni soit l'Éternel. Béni soit l'Éternel. Bless the Lord. Béni soit l'Éternel. Bless the Lord. Next we have, moi adorez-vous. Moi adorez-vous. Or you can say, moi adorez-vous. Moi adorez-vous. I adore you. I worship you. Moi adorez-vous, Jésus. Moi adorez-vous. I adore you. I worship you, Jesus. Ooh, this is a big one. If you're Haitian American, you probably have heard this in your household. Abat Satan, vive Jésus. Abat Satan, vive Jésus. My mom would say that all the time in our house. Abat Satan means down with Satan. Vive Jésus, Jesus alive. Jesus lives. It's close to Jésus vivant. So, abat Satan, vive Jésus. Next we have, bon Dieu béni ou. Bon Dieu béni ou. God, bon Dieu béni, bless ou, you. Or you can say, bon Dieu béni ou, with O-U. Bon Dieu béni ou. God bless you. Levez-moi. Oh, you'll hear that a lot. Levez-moi. Raise your hand. Lift your hand. Levez-moi. There's another song. Levez-moi. Devant majesté, before the majesty. I know immolé, slain lamb. Moi adorez-vous. Oh, when you have hundreds of Haitians singing that song in your presence, it is something else. Okay, levez-moi. Raise your hand, lift your hand. Frappez. Frappez-moi. Clap your hands, clap your hands. You like to say that a lot. Frappez-moi, frappez-moi. Clap your hands. And finally, m'a prié pour. M'a prié pour. I will be praying for you. I will pray for you. Map prier for you. I encourage you all, go ahead and memorize these for your next mission trip to Haiti, especially if you're going to church on a Sunday morning. All right. Bon Dieu béni. God bless you.